Hello, good people. Welcome back to the Digital Mom YouTube channel, a space that gives inspiration on work, on life, and how to navigate both worlds digitally. So, first of all, ndabasuhuje aho muri hose. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, muraho. Bitewe n'aho uherereye hose, njyewe ndaho meze neza n'umuryango wanjye tumeze. Yeah, we are good. So, this is episode 2 about our budgeting series in 2025. But before we dive into the video of today, let us get to catch up of what we've talked in the previous video. So last time we've talked about the budgeting basics and how to set up a simple plan for a family, for an individual. When I started your video, I would recommend you to go back and then ukaireba. So today I want us to go deeper into something we all want to do better. I'm very sure that everyone wants to do better, and that is none else but saving. Quizzica. So these are the strategies that are friendly to moms, to individuals, to anyone who wanted to save some portion of money for the future, maybe for the investment or for something else. So stay tuned, come and we discuss. Don't hesitate to drop your idea in the comment. Kubera ko what I say is what I know. It doesn't mean ko ari everything that is concerning the subject. Nawe hari icyo wanyungura, hari icyo wakungura bagenzi bacu who are just on this platform. So firstly, ndashaka ko tureba why do we need to serve, especially as moms. Why do we need to serve? Actually, in this life we do face many challenges. Suddenly the project is coming, suddenly the medical bills, suddenly the home bills, like we meet many unexpected expenses all the time. So even raising money for the food prices, it is an issue muri iki gihe. Ujya ku isoko ugasanga ibintu byaragusize. It seems like uheruka guhaha mu mwaka ushize yet your last time was maybe last week. So that's why you need to save. We save just to have a good future, to twizigama, not because we are rich, not because we have many, but because we want to prepare a better future. Okay, niyo mpamvu ya mbere tugomba kwizigamira. Hari abantu benshi bagiye bavuga ngo nguse ngo komembwa ibihumbi 30 ngo nakizigama gute. Uri kwirengagiza ko uyu munsi uri guhembwa ibihumbi 30, idolari riri kuvunja 1446. Maybe the 2 months to come uzaba uri guhembwa still ibihumbi 30, idolari rigeze ku 1600. My dear, n'ubu utarizigamye, how are you going to recover that? Kandi twese turabizi idolari kubera ko rikoreshwa ku isoko mpuzamahanga, the more it gets up niko ibintu iwacu locally birushaho guhenda. So we save not because twabonye amafaranga menshi, but because we want to sustain the future. Number 2, that we need, the reason too we need to save, it is because of emergency. You are sitting here, suddenly barakubwiye ngo umwana wawe akoze accident. Sorry, ni ikintu kibi, but it is the life we are living. It's the reality that we are in. Akoze accident and you don't have any backup kubera ko ntabwo wari waraplaninze ngo uzagira accident kuri uwo munsi, ugasanga utangiye guhamagara ntabwo wandusha 10,000, ntabwo you start the stress, yet you hari udufaranga wari warasevinze ku ruhande, utwo dufaranga tuba tukugobotse. That's why we need to save. Nongere mbisubiremo, we don't need to save kubera yuko twakemuye ibintu byose. Like we have to save nkaho saving nayo iri muri needs zo dukeneye. We need to save because we don't know what tomorrow is going to bring on the table. Okay, So tumaze kureba rero impamvu tugomba gusevinga, ndashaka ko tureba n'ibice biba muri saving. Ubundi mostly we save for the emergency, we save for investment, and we save for bigger projects. Urugero, for the emergency nk'urwo nari nguhaye, that your child has an accident and you have no money, uyo wakoze saving ufite uburyo bubigenze. For the investment, you can say they can saving wenda aya mafaranga ibihumbi 100, ibihumbi 200, wenda aya mafaranga I'm going to buy something for it, kizagikomeza kuma mafaranga. N'urugero wenda nzayatangizamo aga small business, that means you're saving for the investment. Ushobora no gusavinga for the bigger project. Maybe you want to build a house, you want to buy a car, you want to make an industry. That time you need to save just for that bigger project. Ku bintu udashobora kubonera nyine amafaranga yo kubikora icyarimwe kubera yuko ari binini. So what are strategies are we going to use then? Tuzasavinga with what strategy? Twibuke in the 2030 rule twarebyeho why we are making our budget on Tuesday. There is the 20% that we kept aside of our money for saving. So in that 20% of the money we are getting, it is where we are going to divide all those 3%. I mean 3 categories of saving we are going to make. Muri ya 20% twabonye dushyira ku ruhande kugira ngo abo amafaranga y'ubwizigame. Aya 20 nayo akakanye tugiye kuyaca ibice bitatu. Oh, the less money is getting by this word. In the 20% that we kept aside for saving from our income, we are going to take the 5%, 5% tuyashyire muri emergency. Akandi 5% maybe tuyashyire for the long term project. Then 10% tulishyire muri investment. Why are we going to put the 10% in the investment part? It is because, you guys, keeping money in the bank is not going to give you interest. Nagomba bujuje gukoresha bank. I'm not even discouraging you to use saving accounts, but remember that your money is just there, urayasorera, and the bank is trading your money and it's not giving you interest. So this is why we are going to take 10% for the investment. I mean, wifata amafaranga yose ngo yabike wirengagize yuko amafaranga aba is it inflation? Do they call it inflation? People from economy come here and help me. But I think it is inflation. Amafaranga uko amara igihe atagaciro. Niyo mpamvu wagakwiye gufata igice kinini cy'amafaranga yo gusavinga ukayasavinga mu buryo bukungukira. Like you save the money to generate the money. Wigafata ngo yashyire mu kibina gusa. Abantu benshi cyane abadamu dukunda ibibina. Wifata amafaranga yawe yose ngo yashyire mu kibina, ahubwo tekereza akantu gatoya ushobora kuwushyizemo ayo mafaranga, ariko ayo mafaranga agashobora kwimultiply. Urugero, kambaho urugero, ushobora nko gufata urugero nk'ibihumbi 80, ariko ujya ufata ibihumbi 80 ubishyire muri banki ngo I'm saving this 80k. Ushobora gufata ibihumbi 80 ukabigura igare ukariha umunyonzi akajya kuversa. You are saving your 80k mu igare, and then igare is generating some money back to you. Urumva bya ibihumbi 80 byabura bibitse kandi biri, biri no kukwinjiriza. And the other essentials like that. Mainly save the big amount of money in investment more than in the bank. More than mwihembe. Yeah, okay, so akandi kantu nshaka ko turebaho, these are the digital tools, because here we're on the digital space, that you could use while tracking your money. Kubera ko byo tracking amafaranga yawe, it helps you kumenya amafaranga yawe ahajya, and then you set in the reminders. Koresha app like Mint, These are very free apps. Koresha Google Budget, it is also free. Koresha Google Sheet. I mean, see where your money is going kugira ngo ubashe kuza gusavinga, and then set reminders. Shyiramo reminder ikwibutsa what you're going to do with your money kugira ngo utaza gusesagura. Okay, ikindi, you can use an envelope saving method. Envelope saving method, why? It is because tuvuge niba ufite envelope ukavuga iyi ni envelope yo guhaha, iyi ni envelope ya transport, iyi ni envelope y'abana, iyi ni envelope y'imishinga minini, you know, like you keep your money in the envelopes. Ukavuze ngo if I'm going to deal with the kids, I'm taking envelope for the kids, ntabwo ndi bukore kuri ariya mafaranga. If I'm going to deal with food, I'm taking in the envelope of food, ntabwo ndi bukore kuri yandi mafaranga. Nayo it is a very good strategy. Okay, so for people with a family, it's better when you involve your family members in the saving culture. This is because niba ubana n'umugore cyangwa n'umugabo cyangwa n'abana, but like you live with people, you're not living alone. If you're going to save, utab involved within that, my dear, they are going to stress you because they don't know your plan. Please share your plan with the family, okay? Yes, okay. I hope ko nta muntu waba uri hano wumva gusharinga ari ikibazo, cyane ko gusharinga n'abantu ni ukunguka izindi mbaraga. So, and many more, umuntu waba ufite n'ikindi kintu yadusharinga about the saving, because I know this is very sensitive and it is very stressful for many of us, including me. Please come and share in the comment section. Tell us, how do you manage to save your money? Tell us, share us the strategy. Give us a tip. This is my tip, but you can also share yours. So, thank you for today's session. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Until next week on Tuesday, as we continue our series on budgeting. See you. Bye-bye.